Welcome back, HARBRO. So the HARBRO channel, quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have deal of the day 6. Deal of this day 6, and it's what we've been waiting for. Icon wrench sets. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's dive in. First, who got their tape measure or laser level or their 50% off hat? Deal of the day 4. That is today. If you have a chance. Then of course, let's scroll up a bit here. Deal of the day 4. Deal of the day 5 starting tomorrow. The Hercules kit, your choice from 6 tools, or the split beam torque wrench, 40 to 250 pounds, $100. Really good deals. And here they are separated. Don't forget, if you're going in for Friday, starting Friday, also the free tool with any purchase for ITC or for any $35 purchase, get your free tool. And if you're going in, you're not ITC, but you're doing one of these Hercules, I think it should qualify. I feel like not 100% says it can't be combined with other offers, but any purchase means any purchase. So, and then there's just this bundle savings starting Monday. Buy a 100-watt solar panel kit, get 30% off and additional 100-watt solar panel. I feel like that's okay. I feel like if they're doing buy one, get one a percentage off, they should be doing buy one, get one 50% off at least, but only 30%. But then here we go. Deal of the day 6, buy more, save more on Icon wrench sets. They've done similar deals to this. It is up to 40% off. So I guess for the HARBROs who already have wrench sets and they don't need that many, this one's a little bit tough because if you only need one wrench set, there's no discount. So you're going to be forced to get a second, but that's only 20% off. Obviously, if you want to maximize it, you got to get 4 or more items. So the way I'm interpreting this is buy more, save more on Icon wrench sets. When you buy 4 or more Icon wrench sets, you're getting the full 40% off. So let's look at it. Let's take a deep dive. We won't go through everything. We've done large wrench dives before, but let's look at what type of combination of wrenches you can get. If you need 4 or more sets, well, then you're set. You get all the 4 sets that you want. If you need plus, if you're gonna get 10 sets that you're already eyeballing, then you're good. The problem is gonna be if you really only need one. So let's start off. We'll just sort from high to low. Actually, let's sort from low to high, because this is where it's going to come in most handy. Now, it's unfortunate we don't have the clickable link, because these hex key sets I don't believe are part of it. But here we have or these Torx key sets. I forget if these were part of the last wrench sale. And actually, it is here. Rewind a little bit. We do have the Icon buy more, save more promotion. I'll link this in the description. 32 items. It has all the wrenches. So none of those other oddball. They are all wrenches. And we'll use the same logic. We're going to sort this from low to high. And that way, it'll give us our best option. So best case scenario, if you wanted to get 4 different sets for the least amount of money, you would get the Stubby Professional Metric Combination wrench set, 10-piece, available in Metric and SAE at $40. So you can get an SAE and a Metric. And then they have the Icon Professional Metric Offset Box Wrench Set, 5-piece. SAE and Metric, both $50. The SAE is a 5-piece. And so is the Metric, 60-degree offset for ample knuckle clearance. There is a skip. Oh, wait, no. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No skips on the Metric. And fractions are my kryptonite. So for the 2 lowest priced options, $40 plus $40 plus 50 plus 50 is $180 total. But then at that point, you'd get 40% off. You'd save $72. So you'd get both SAE and Metric Stubby set with the Icon Professional Metric and SAE 5-piece for a total of $108. So that's the lowest combination of 4 you can get in my mind. You probably want to try to get as close as you can to the 40%. You want to use the 40%. That's going to be your biggest bang for your buck. 20% isn't bad. 30% is pretty great, but you still got to get 3 sets at 30% off. And then depending on the set you're trying to get, it can get really pricey. So it almost feels like you should go for the 4 items or more and get the 40% off. So what I would recommend, depending which ones you need, if you're just starting your wrench set, of course, you have the anti-slip grip professional SAE or metric combination wrench sets. You can go with either one. The SAE is a 14-piece, so is the metric. Those are at $130, so that's going to get you to $260. And at that point, you combine it with, if you don't have a set of stubbies, stubbies can come in handy. So that's an $80 in stubbies, $80 in stubbies, plus $260 if you're getting the metric and SAE combination wrench. That's, whoa, we needed to plus $260 plus $80. Put you at $340, which is pretty pricey. But then you're getting the 40% off, gets you down to $240. So you're saving $140. So you're, at this point, you're getting one of the anti-slip plus a little bit extra for free. $204 for ones to start off with, and then ones to even out the deal. But you don't have to go with the anti-slip. You go for the standard professional metric combination wrench set, 14-piece, $120 for metric, 14-piece also for SAE, $120. Or you don't have to get the matching pair. Sometimes you're good with just metric, or if you just happen to be in the SAE line. And at that point, you have a lot more variety to choose from. A lot of the HARBROs go for the anti-slip. Again, remember, the anti-slip on the open end has more contact points, which is the anti-slip for a tighter grip and maximum torque. But I've heard some feedback from the HARBROs that these will rip through some bolts. So not always needed. Good choice. But I have seen some recommendations that for the HARBROs doing just standard jobs, you don't want to rip anything up. You don't necessarily need that extra tight grip. You can go with the standard wrenches. Then again, for example, let's just say you're going with the professional metric ratcheting combination wrench set. This is the 10-piece in metric, 7-piece in SAE, but it's down to $120. But let's just say you went with the metric at $160. It's still not a bad deal. If you're going to do 2, for example, you get the SAE and the metric ratcheting. It's going to be at $160 plus $120 in this case. Total be $280, but at this point you'd only qualify for the 20% off. So you're still saving almost $60. So you don't have to break the wallet by getting 4 items. But of course, if you want to maximize your savings, you're going to go towards, you got to get the 4 items. So again, 2 items, 20% off, 3 items, 30% off, 4 items or more, you're getting the whole 40% off. So things can add up pretty quickly. But there's a lot of different options. We'll go through them just quickly. From the most expensive extra long professional metric double box, flex ratcheting wrench set, 5-piece. Of course, you have the professional flex head metric ratcheting combination wrench, 12-piece at $200. Also an SAE. Actually, yeah, so these will be available in SAE and metric. Here are the professional large reversible SAE ratcheting combination wrench set, 7-piece, also be available in metric. Then we have the large, professional large. Oh, here's just the other half of it. Metric and SAE, both $200. 6-piece for both. The extra long professional metric double box ratcheting wrench, 10-piece. 2 options. The anti-slip grip professional metric ratcheting combination wrench set at $170. SAE 130, but only 7 pieces. So there's a lot of mixing and matching HARBROs. Again, what I would recommend, you have the ones that you're going to get, is just keep in mind the stubbies. If you don't have the stubbies, even the metric offset box wrench sets at 50 bucks, it's not a terrible option. Or maybe the crow foot wrench set or the angle open-ended wrench set, so 60 bucks respectively. But at $80 will be the lowest amount you can get. You'll get both sets of the stubbies, and you can pick up 2 of the wrench sets that you're actually looking for. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. A lot of wrenches to choose from. That's what I recommend. 20% off when you purchase 2 items, 30 for 3, 40% for more. Don't forget, if you're in there buying wrenches, pick up your free gift. Get your ratchets, get your Icon professional 10mm socket set 4-piece. Get your step drill bits if you don't have them. Also get your free gift if you're going in for the Hercules or for the split beam. A lot of options. But I'll leave it at that. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your